Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Zorin OS. First go down to the Zorin menu and then go to Zorin Appearance. Then click on Theme from the list of options on the left. In the background section, click on the black square on the right to enable dark mode. With this middle option, you can set it so it's light mode during the day and then it automatically changes to dark mode at night, for example, or vice versa. You can choose the times Zorin does this by changing the times in the two boxes. But to enable dark mode all the time, click this black square, and that's how to enable dark mode on Zorin OS. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.